Hey guys, back again on an update on this chainsaw. So we got the carburetor out. It's over here. And as you can see, the fuel lines are completely just destroyed. So we're going to replace the fuel lines. The primer ball looks a little beat up, so we'll replace that. The primer line's obviously broken as well. So I'm going to replace the fuel lines, probably rebuild the carburetor because it's been sitting, and replace that carb gasket right there as well. So I'll be back when I have a video for you guys on how to actually install fuel lines the easy way, because as you can see, the holes are really small down there for the fuel line and everybody always wonders how you get them in there. So I got a video for you guys on how to do that. I'll be right back. Please like and subscribe for more content, guys. Thanks.